Hi, I'm Julian Frost, N3JF from Ham Radio Outlet. In this video, we'll be taking a look at 5 more new products that have recently been added to the Ham Radio Outlet inventory. If these products are out of stock in the website when you visit, don't worry, they can still be ordered and you'll get it as soon as it arrives from the manufacturer. So stand by for some more new products. Let's get straight to it. Our first product is from the Masters of Radio Programming, RT Systems. The RT Systems KRS D75 USB kit consists of the famous RT Systems software, specifically coded for the Kenwood THD75A, and a USB-C to USB-C cable that's used to connect the computer to your Kenwood THD75A radio. If you've already programmed your THD75A handheld radio but want a backup of all the memories and settings, plug the radio into the computer using the supplied cable, run the RTS Systems software, and read all the data directly from the radio. Keep that data safe by simply saving it onto your computer. From that point on, make any desired changes to the saved data on the computer using the RT Systems software, and download it straight to the radio. If you have several different radios and the RT Systems software for those radios, you can copy and paste data from one radio to another, even if those radios are from different manufacturers. The RT Systems software takes care of the difference for you. Programming the radio is as simple as typing in the values for each memory channel, then sending the file to the radio. You can also configure the radio's menu settings from the software. Now, the Kenwood THD75A can enjoy the same ease and simplicity of programming as almost every other radio with the RT Systems KRS D75A USB kit, available now at HRO. The Chameleon Antenna CH TLD No Coax Mini is a tactical delta loop for portable HF operations. This antenna is ideal for camping or temporary installation in a townhome or other house with a small yard or antenna restrictions. It can operate on all amateur radio bands from 3.5 MHz to 54 MHz, that's 80 meters to 6 meters, but it is most effective on the bands from 10.1 MHz to 54 MHz, or 30 meters to 6 meters. The TDL will operate acceptably on short-range NVIS near-vertical instant skywave propagation on the 3.5 to 7 MHz bands, that's 80 meters to 40 meters. It can be configured as a horizontally polarized inverted delta loop, a ground-mounted vertical antenna, or horizontal dipole. An antenna tuner is required for operation from 3.5 MHz to 7 MHz, or 80 meters to 40 meters. In the box you get two 17-foot telescoping whip antennas, a matching transformer, a 25-foot loop wire, a ground spike, and a hub. The antenna can handle 500 watts SSB, 250 watts CW, or 40 watts high-duty cycle digital modes. That's the CHA TDL No Coax Mini from Chameleon, available at HRO now. At HRO, we're often asked about using Bluetooth headsets with various mobile or handheld radios. If you have a Yaesu radio such as the FT3DE, FT3DR, FTM300DE, FTM6000E, FTM6000R, and others, then you could be in luck. The SSM BT20 from Yaesu is a Bluetooth earpiece that's equipped with a high-quality microphone and a push-to-talk button for operating the radio. In addition to the push-to-talk button, the SSM BT20 has volume buttons and a status LED, and it comes with interchangeable inserts and a detachable ear hook. You also get a USB charging cable in the box. Battery life is up to 12 hours of continuous talk time, or 400 hours on standby. It has a range of about 30 feet, so you can easily walk away from your radio if necessary. Like all of these types of headsets, it's really designed for low to normal noise levels, so use it accordingly. The SSM BT20 from Yaesu, available now at Ham Radio Outlet. If you're looking for a handheld digital scanner to go along with your ham radio gear, take a look at the Uniden BCD160DN. With an impressive array of features including band scope, rapid system and channel number tagging, narrowband reception and a complete suite of search features, the BCD160DN might just be what you need. The scanner comes preloaded with DMR and NXDN, so you can start using your scanner straight out of the box. It instantly detects and displays the subaudible tone or digital code on received signals, so you can quickly add the frequency to one of its 1000 alpha tagged channels. You can also organize memory channels by department, location, area of interest, or any other way you prefer. The scanner can be programmed using the free Uniden BCD160DN SS and BCVUP software, which is available on the Uniden website. The BCD160DN receives 25 to 512 MHz, 758 to 824 MHz, 849 to 869 MHz, and 894 to 960 MHz. It does not do trunking or APCO P25. For monitoring digital radio systems, check out Uniden's other models, including the SDS100, SDS200, BCD436HP, BCD536HP, BCD996P2, BCD325P2, or the Home Patrol 2, all of which are listed on the HRO website. Okay, check out the BCD160DN at Ham Radio Outlet. If you've seen our video on Ultimax antennas, you probably saw our recent video, New Products at Ham Radio Outlet. Well, Ultimax continues to provide great antennas and unmatched support. The Ultimax 100 49-foot end-fed antenna provides all-band operation from 80 meters to 6 meters continuously. You'll need an antenna tuner, but you won't need radials or grounding. The Ultimax 100 49-foot end-fed antenna can handle 1500 watts PEP SSB and 350 watts CW, RTTY, and digital modes. As the name suggests, the radiator length is 49 feet, and you configure it as a vertical, horizontal, or sloper antenna. Using a wide-range tuner, you can expect an SWR of less than 1.3 to 1 on all bands. The Ultimax line of antennas sell out every time we get them, so get yours while they're in stock. The Ultimax 100 49-foot end-fed antenna, proudly made in the USA, in stock, at the time of shooting this video, at Ham Radio Outlet. Well, that wraps up a look at some of our other new products available to order at Ham Radio Outlet. If you've seen a great product, maybe at a ham fest, that you think Ham Radio Outlet should carry, let us know in the comments. Maybe your suggestion will appear in the next New Products video. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment, and follow our social media channels on Facebook, Twitter, or X, Instagram, and YouTube. For Ham Radio Outlet, I'm Julian Frost, N3JF 73.